Hello, Hyun. I wanted to show you the cube cable. It's an ADB 4534. And so the serial number is embossed there. As well as we've got the ADB mouse and a really nice ADB keyboard in the original starting point kit box. So I've tested all the keys work here. And bright and dim works, sound up, sound down works. So I'm going to go ahead and ship today. Really appreciate your business and patience, and have a great day. Stay tuned, more fun stuff to come from the black hole.